Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from, your time and location. So I was making this hairstyle myself. So I tried making my hair myself, and it was really a hard work, like not an easy job, not at all. I wouldn't lie, to be honest with you. Placing this hair, could you believe I tried this particular hairstyle like 2 times before I could get the perfect hairstyle I wanted. The pattern was something else. I had to make sure I'm getting the pattern very well. So I like to use my rubber band. That is the band, this small black band. I bought it in the market. So you have to use it to hold your hair. I had to use it to hold my hair, and this is when I started making the hair. I started braiding. It wasn't an easy journey. I was adding and braiding at the same time. So I tried this particular one like 3 times before I could get this exact one now that was looking good. So I was starting making the hair, trying to grab everything, every bunch of it, every of my hair. So I was trying to make it look good so that I can grab everything very well. So this when I was trimming the hair, I trimmed it because of the excess. I don't need the excess. I was making the second one, the same thing. NEPA took the light here, so NEPA took the light. So I continued braiding because NEPA, if you're in Nigeria, you will know now. NEPAs can take lights. They will tell you are not the owner of the lights. They can take it anytime. So this is it. I was trying to braid it very well. So I was looking for lights here, natural light. So I moved to a natural light place. So I continued my braiding. So I was seeing small leftovers, small excess things coming out, which I had to use my scissors to trim them. So I was trimming out the excesses in it. So tell me what you like about this hairstyle. I think the hairstyle is giving for me because this is my second time trying this hairstyle on my hair. So I like using this golden thing too. That is hair decorating stuff. I like to decorate my hair. So I like to use these things to decorate my hair, and I just love the good thing on my hair. So that's just it. So don't forget to like this video. Follow me for more content like this. If you like what I do here, follow me. See the hair it was giving, like I was so happy with it. So don't forget to follow me, like this video. I would really appreciate it. Bye. See you next time.